A woman is dead and a man in custody after allegedly killing her in a fit of jealous rage, which has left residents of a rural community in shock. The killing took place last night in Parnassus, Clarkstown, Trelawney. Javon Keys has more.
Sunday morning's peace in the deep rural Trelawney village of Clarkstown shattered as residents come to terms with a heinous crime which has claimed one of their own late last night. The victim, yet another woman, Nikisha Keeling, aged 29. Like most recent crimes targeting women, this too was committed by a man with whom she shared a home. She was hacked to death with a machete during the night and leaves behind a child fathered by the man whom it is believed took her life. At the home early this morning, residents looked on in disbelief. This man recounts how he learned of her death.
This morning, I'm in deep sleep. One of my friends called me and tell me, say, you don't know what happened? Crime scene road there. And I say, crime scene? Oh, crime scene for road. So I've been and left nobody really. And the man say, yo, Gally dead. Uncle killed Gally. And I say, I don't know. Oh, that fear happened. Why man could have killed a little young girl like that?
TVJ News understands the alleged killer has since turned himself into the police. He's expected to be charged in the coming days. But at the cramped home he shared with Nikisha, a bloody mattress and a badly damaged door illustrate last night's carnage. Her mother, Annette Keeling, said when the police processed the scene last night, she was not shown the body. The lawmen fearing she might break down uncontrollably. The mother of 11 said she never heard her daughter and her spouse in any dispute, but theorized the father of her grandchild may have been overcome by a jealous rage.
So Chu is a young girl, you know, they move around with the young man, he's an older man than her. So you know, so them thing they always cause domestic dispute between an older man and a younger girl. So seems like it's there leading from.
While Nikisha was yet to reach 30, her spouse, we were told, is close to 70. Her brother said they have been together since Nikisha was in high school. She was a dropout after getting pregnant aged 13. Her brother was at a loss for words.
Tell me a Mother's Day present, look for the Mother's Day present when Carrie come give me mother. In a big holiday now, I know we have to pressure ourselves to feed him in a prison and pay tax, pay money.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.